Welcome to the channel. I'm Jay Malone. Today, I'm going to show you how to find birthdays on Facebook. If this is your first time to the channel and you enjoy photography, drones, technology, and other related things, then start off by hitting that subscribe button. When you do, tap the little bell icon next to it. That way you won't miss anything. I often get questions from people trying to find birthdays on Facebook, either on the desktop version or on the mobile app. So I'm going to show you how to find both of those today. Let's start with the mobile app. When you have the mobile app open, you'll see three little lines in the bottom right hand corner. Tap on those lines and then kind of scroll down. If it's not in your list, you'll see events. Tap on events. When you're in events, tap on calendar and you will see the birthdays listed for today. You can also see the ones in the past, the ones in the future. We'll tap on today's birthdays. And from here, if you wanted to comment on these people's page wishing them happy birthday, you would tap on the person that you want to comment to and then write something here. So we will just comment happy birthday and post it to her page. So it's that simple from the mobile phone. That's how you find the birthdays. Now let me show you how to do it on desktop. It's a little bit different and actually I like it better on the desktop. When you open up Facebook, it should come up to your news feed. If not, click on the Facebook logo in the top left corner. That'll take you to your news feed. You scroll down until you see events on the left hand side of your screen. Click on events and then you'll see birthdays. Once you click on birthdays, you'll see a list of today's birthdays as well as the recent and upcoming birthdays. And you can post a happy birthday message to them directly from this page. That's it. It's pretty easy to locate the birthdays, whether it's on your desktop or on your mobile device. If this video was helpful, please hit that thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. And thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing. And until next time, God bless.